Let's get started with what is Visualforce. The question number one is, what is Visualforce? So it's just that, markup language. So it's that framework or the markup language which is used for designing the UI. So this is something which we already discussed. It's a framework that allows developers to build sophisticated custom user interfaces that can be hosted natively on the Force.com platform. So these Visualforce pages can only be hosted on Force.com platform. So like HTML can be hosted on several platforms. Visualforce is recognized only on Force.com platform. So this is a native language here. Now, the Visualforce framework includes a tag-based markup language similar to HTML. Okay. So what does this framework have? It has got tag-based markup language. It is a set of tags basically. So the language is what? It is just the set of tags. That's it, no? So for everything there's a tag, and it's basically a collection of tags. So whatever tag you need in your design, you just need to use that particular tag. That's it. Here we don't call it tags. So here we call it as a Visualforce component. But yeah, the concept is pretty similar to tag.